Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today I'm gonna make a video showing you guys how to use a program. I guess it's a suite of programs, tools, called Comodo Cleaning Essentials. Um, this is this is a few very good pieces of software that you can use to clean your computer of any malware, any viruses, any rootkits, anything that's suspicious pretty much on your computer, any programs that you're not really sure of where they came from. um, this will look through them, and it'll check the Komodo system. Basically, Komodo is one of the it's one of the very high end security, I guess, computer security companies. Uh, it also has Komodo has their own firewall and antivirus. It's all free though, but it's it's very good at catching any viruses on your computers. It has one of the highest ratings compared to all the other ones like Norton, McAfee. But the thing is, not many people know about it because it's not one of those pieces of software you can buy off the store. It's just online and you can download it and use it. So it's very beneficial to use. So I'm gonna get started on this. Show you guys Komodo cleaning essentials. So what you want to do first is you want to go just on Google. I have Google Chrome open here, and I'm just gonna search for Komodo cleaning essentials. Komodo cleaning essentials, and there it came up. We'll hit enter, and it's the first link here. That's Komodo.com, and we're gonna go here. And what I'm going to do is it's a free set of it's a free download. Um, and I'm gonna choose. You want to pick whatever version you have. If you have, this is for Windows 7, Vista, XP, right? And 30, you have 32-bit and 64-bit. I'm gonna go ahead and download the 64-bit. Although it doesn't say Windows 8 here, I'm gonna give it a shot anyways. Even though this is for Windows 7 and anything past that, it should still work. So I'm gonna pick 64-bit and click free download. And as you can see, the download started. um, we'll just wait until that finishes off. um, so as that's downloading, just as an explanation, uh, there's three key things that Komodo offers within this suite. Hey, sorry guys, I had to pause the video. Kind of forgot what point I was discussing, but since the download is done now, we can go ahead with the installation. What you want to do is, since I have it downloaded here, let's just open this up. Of course, it is a zipped file, so it's opening it through WinRAR. If you have WinRAR, WinZip, you can just open it. I believe Windows 8 you can open it inherently as well. So I'm just gonna drag it here to my desktop, let that unzip, and let's close this. So this is it, guys. This is the folder with all the tools for Komodo cleaning essentials. The three key things here is Autoruns, CCE, which is Komodo cleaning essentials, and Kill Switch. For this video, what I'm going to focus on, this one of the coolest features I feel is Kill Switch. And so I'll just open this up. Let's see. Yes, and then okay. If you want, you can read through this, but I'm gonna hit I accept. And so this is where all the magic happens pretty much. This is Kill Switch, Komodo Kill Switch. What it does is, basically Komodo has their own backend database of all different services users submit, and it keeps track of each service and says, oh, okay, like, okay, this service, taskhost ex or spool sv.exe, okay, this is a safe safe service or safe process that's running, and and it keeps a database in the back end of all of these one by one, and it knows what's safe, what's not safe. And then when it detects, so right now what it's doing is it's the same as process manager, it's or task manager. Like right now, I'm just gonna hit Control Shift Escape to open my task manager. We'll hit more details, and this is kind of like my process, all the process that are running on my computer. But what Kill Switch does is Kill Switch gives me like a very in-depth look at each service each process that's running, what are the sub-services involved, and it also gives me a basic outlay of what's safe, what's not safe. So if you look at this column right here, rating is going through each one, and it's telling me what's safe, and if there's anything unsafe, it's gonna mark it as red, and it'll flag it, and that way you can visually see that, oh, what's this service that's running on my computer, it seems to be something suspicious. And it'll also give you a description of what's the problem. If it's unsafe, it'll tell you that, oh, okay, this is on the database, it's marked as a malware, or it's marked as, something. But as you can see right now, all my services seem fine. The only two, this one and this one, you can see that it's gray. Why? The reason it's gray is because it's not um, it's not recognized as much. It's not recognized, or it's not a common service on the Comodo database. So it's something that I guess maybe it needs to be tested, or something that's kind of trusted but still unsure of its overall status. But generally, Comodo Kill Switch is very, very reliable. It gives you because Komodo's database is one of the strongest, like virus databases that's out there. It pretty much has a full list of all the latest things that's safe, that's not safe, that's funny, that's not you're not sure. It has a list of all that, and using Kill Switch, you just have to download it. As you saw, I didn't have to install anything. You can just put this on your USB stick if you wanted. All of these, you can just put it on your USB stick and take it around, and then run it, and then through that you get like a summary of whether everything running on your computer at this instant is safe or not safe. So it's a really cool tool. It's good for you guys to use and check your computer to see if there's anything funny that's going on. If you notice different, like, random things that aren't prop that don't seem like it's going well, you might want to just run Kill Switch, and you'll get that peace of mind that everything else is fine. So this is one thing that I always run whenever I feel like there's something weird going on in my computer. I run this quickly to check if there's any strange processes that's going on. So for sure, I really recommend this program for you guys. This was just one of the few other options that Kill Switch has. I'm just showing you like the very, very basic functionality of Kill Switch. Kill Switch has so many advanced features that you could use ahead of that. Like, this is basic. You can see the CPU, the amount of CPU usage that's going on, the input output, the physical memory, the RAM that you have, how much is being used, and the network amount. And in addition to that, you have all of these other tools here too. The Autorun Analyzer. This is the next tool I'm going to talk about. I'll probably do that in another video, but that's another tool. You have Quick Repair, you have Program Usage Analyzer, Find Window, Find Handles or DLLs, Run, and System Information. And you can also go through, as right now I was on the System tab. On the Network tab, it tells you all the network ports and all the packets that are going through on what port, what service. So that's also something good for you to keep track of, and it's actually something good to know if you're very into I guess how networking and how everything works. You can go through here and then notice, okay, this port is open, shouldn't be open, or what's going on, what's funny here. So yeah, I hope this was just a basic intro for this program. I hope it helped you guys, and Oh, just one other thing before I forget is, for instance, like task manager, you can quickly just open it up and see what processes are running, and then if you want, you can end task, and it'll end, right? But through kill switch, you can do a whole lot more. Like right now, I just have explorer.exe, but it tells me, okay, under explorer.exe you have plex media server, then you have sticky note, then you have camera recorder, then you have, like, it tells you what are the sub processors involved. So if I want, I could right click this and I could just kill this process, or I could kill the entire process tree, which means that I could kill this all of these programs all at once, because it those are depending on explorer.exe. Um, and there's so many other things. If I see anything that I'm not sure of, I could just quickly scroll to it, right click, and I could send it to Komodo. Uh, if I think that, if I know this is a safe service, I could report it as a false positive, because I know that this is not some funny program. Maybe I programmed it myself or something, so I could report it as a false positive, or I could report it as suspicious if I'm not sure. You can also just search it online quickly, and it'll give you a good brief look at what it is, and you can jump to the folder where it's located, the properties. You can create a dump file if you need to, debug, suspend. You have a whole lot of options. So for sure, I recommend this program to you guys, and I really hope you guys give it a shot. It's a must-have in your IT troubleshooting toolkit, waste belt or whatever you want to call it. It's very useful to have. So I recommend it to all you guys. So please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and share this video as well. It'll help me out a lot. Thanks guys, and take care.